welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. So I finished already in work. So we're gonna meet one of our subscribers right now. So wait for me.
She go to change clothes right now.
Yes, I will change right now.
Please faster because already 4:30.
Okay.
Okay, I waited you. He work until 4 p.m. but now already 4:30, and we need meet with subscriber 5 p.m. I don't know, have traffic or don't have in Angeles. In Mabalacat now don't have traffic.
Hi guys, it's 4:49 right now. So we need to meet the one of our subscriber for 5 p.m. but it's so traffic right now. So look. Just wait and we will take video later if you finish already.
Orchid INN Hotel. Don't have. Orchid INN Hotel. Oh, you can wait inside. You can wait inside.
Hi guys, we're here at Orchid INN Resort. So we've already met one of our subscribers. Ozzy.
How are you? I was very happy to meet your two favourite bloggers, and I wish them well. And finally caught up after a long time. So keep going and more power to you. All right? God bless.
Thank you very much for your watching our
No
video
worries, you're welcome.
and your comments.
I really enjoyed
And thank you for Shaira. Want to say yes, chocolate. Show Shaira.
it. You're welcome.
I like it this one. Now it's like
That's it.
Shaira very happy today. Now we in the Orchid INN Hotel and going to Central Park
Yes.
Tower.
so we're gonna meet one of also subscriber David in Central Park.
Yes, then David already been in our video before.
So also thank you for the chocolate, Mr.
Ossi.
Oh?
Ossi, yeah. Ossi from Australia. Our video in the mirror because they think why Leon not take video. No, it's me.
So you can see me how you
Yes.
also there right now. Mama, yun. Hi guys, we're here in Central Park Hotel. So we're meet our subscriber, Sir David. So
From Australia.
yes, from Australia. So we come to let's go in this hotel.
You can see Fields Avenue.
You can see Fields Avenue. SM Mall is just over there. The Candy Tower 3 Candy Tower 2 and the Candy Palace just over that side.
And
And,
airport, over airport.
Airport's just over there. And if you film just down here, you can see it's literally Las Vegas. It's one of the bars. Literally around the corner from Fields Avenue.
This is hotel name.
This is Central Park.
Central Park.
Hotel. It's central to everything. You don't need to go anywhere. It's literally about 5-minute walk to all the walking street. So it's easy. The hotel is 4 to 5-star hotel. So we're very happy here. Been here for 2 weeks. Had a good time here. We're about to go home, but we had a fabulous time here. Everything was easy. The staff here are very friendly. It takes all cards, all major Visa, MasterCard. Everything's easy here. Just sign for everything. So there's an outdoor pool out over here. We'll show you. We'll come around. We'll show you the outdoor pool.
So is there a formal dining or just like
Over here is the pool. This is the deck pool. One is the private condo. They're private apartments. Very, very high standard. Very
It's a
nice.
new apartment.
Yeah, very beautiful. If you can afford it, they take cash only. They only take cash.
Only cash.
Only cash, guys. So if you want to stay at one Floria, they only take cash. Friday and Saturday they have a live band here. The stage is there and they have a live band. So every Friday and Saturday.
A weekend live band
Yeah,
here.
live band here. Alright, so
No, it's near Penthouse Hotel.
Penthouse Hotel just over here.
A very good place here.
Yeah, it's easy. As I said, like and subscribe. Thanks to Shari and Leon for helping us around, showing us around. We'll be back. Take care, guys.